TBI Children's and Young People Service. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple microwave dinner. It's jambalaya. It's very simple. We're not using weighing scales, ovens, hobs, just a microwave and a couple of everyday items. So key thing, this recipe is ideal for college students, kids going off to college or starting cooking. Key thing here is to be organised. You'll see I have my tray in front of me and I have all the ingredients that I need on the tray. The idea of the tray, it keeps everything together. It stops things rolling away. We don't have to worry about where did we put the tomato or where did we put the sweet corn. It's all on our tray together. And we have all our equipment ready as well. I'll go through all that as well. Again, preparation, organisation is key. So what we need for our microwave jambalaya is rice. I'm using brown rice because that's all I have, but I'd recommend probably using white rice as it'll cook a bit quicker. A red pepper, some Cajun seasoning in a jar, a small can of sweet corn, a can of tomatoes. I have some lovely fresh basil here, but dried basil would be perfect. And we have some chorizo, or you could use packet chorizo, the sliced chorizo, or you could even use chicken in this recipe. So it's very versatile and it's very forgivable as well. What we need equipment-wise, I have a chopping board. My chopping board here is green. Preferably we want a good colour contrast against what we're chopping. So when we're chopping a red pepper, it stands out against the green background of the chopping board. So we have a knife, small spoon, big spoon, tea towel, a jug of water, and I've got a big microwavable bowl container. I'm making enough of a recipe for about 2 or 3 people, but you could easily halve this recipe and use a smaller dish, so you can adapt. So here goes. So to start with, then we are going to open our can of tomatoes, and our can is also going to double up as our measuring device. So we pour our can of tomatoes into the bowl, and then we want a full can of water. So you're pouring the water into the can, and again the full can of water right up to the top. And we throw that in. Again, our can is our measuring device, and we're using a full can of rice. Be careful how you open the bag of rice. This isn't open very well, so I'm just going to have to be careful as I pour this in. And pour it in again, a full can. You can hear the sound of the rice there as it's going in. And that's a full can of rice. And again, all going into the tomato and water mixture. We're going to throw in our tin of sweet corn. There's some water in the bottom of it, the sweet corn, but again, that's not a problem. We can just throw that in. The recipe will allow that. So we've those mixed together, and then I'm going to chop. So I'm going to chop my full pepper. It's a red pepper. You could use different colours, and I'm going to chop in some chorizo as well. So we have the chopped chorizo, and we have the peppers, and we're going to throw them all into the dish. And then lastly, we're going to put in our Cajun seasoning. You use 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. I like it pretty spicy, so I'd be over generous with that, but approximately 2 full teaspoons. But like I say, you can be more generous. So we'll put all that in, and again, it's a good idea to put everything back again onto the tray to keep everything together. So give it a really good stir, and we're going to put the lid on it. It's really important to put the lid on it for the first cooking, so it's going to go into the microwave for 10 minutes. And I'll put that in with the lid covered. So let's go in for 10 minutes with the lid covered. Once 10 minutes are up, you're going to take it out. You've got to be really careful when you're taking it out. You use your tea towel, you wrap your tea towel around your hands, and you bring it out with the tea towel. As you put it down on the counter, you open it up. You always open it away from you. You don't want the steam coming into your face, so you open it away from you. You give it a really good stir, and then you put it back into the microwave for another 10 minutes without the lid this time. So the first time with the lid, second time without the lid. After that second 10 minutes, you've got your dish cooked. You can add your little bit of basil then. You can add Parmesan cheese, some sour cream, and that's it, dish done. And just be careful coming to taking it in and out of the microwave on both occasions. And yeah, hope you have fun trying this at home, and let me know how how it goes.